Hello and welcome again to class. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Thank you for staying with us. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for making it known. I believe you've been gaining value. Now today we continue with what we had. Now the last time we had change of subject formula. That is express y in terms of this. And I solved this already. I already solved this and I said, okay, take this as an assignment. Now I want to go straight now into it to solve the other. Now I'm going to raise this so I'll give room for the other. Now when we solve this so that's how we go, I'm making way for the other. Okay, so now I've already done this, so we'll go to the next. In this case, this solution for question I. Now we already solved this earlier on and go into this. The process is not going to be anything much different. Now remember, when you're told to express y or any alphabet in terms of another, is saying make this one subject formula. You apply various mathematical principles and laws, and then you just until you have this. In this case, that's y equals to. So let's see what we have here. In this place, we have 1/2 log y plus 3 is equals to 2x. So half log in base 2 of y plus 3 equals to y. One thing I always say when we're doing change of subject formula is, what's the target? The target is this man. We want this man at the end to be y is equals to dash dash dash, whatever it is. So every term that is disturbing this y from standing alone, eliminate them one by one or take them away. Let me not use the word eliminate. Take them away one by one by using an opposite mathematical operation. Now this is y. But then the closer, the farther it is, remove them one by one starting from the farthest one, the one that is farthest from it. So if you look at this place now, this is closest to it. The operation linking y and 3 is just plus, and then you have log and then this. Now this one is close to this by multiplication sign, and then you have this. So this one is farther to y, so we'll take away this man. If you have half, what is the opposite of half? It is, you say multiply something by half. What's the opposite of it? It is multiplied by 2. Now what we'll now do is half. The opposite of half is 2/1. So that's the opposite of half. That's the opposite of half. So that's what we're going to do. If I multiply something by half, I should multiply by 2, the opposite. So this one will go away. That is what dealing with it to the opposite or the inverse. So let's go. So the first thing we'll do, the first step is multiply both sides by 2. Now when I say both sides, I mean both sides of the equation. The equal sign separates every algebraic equation into two different sides, the right hand side and the left hand side. So that's what I mean. So I'll multiply both sides by 2. So you're going to have 2 multiplied by, or 2 multiplied 2, half here, log 2, then y plus 3 is equals to 2x. Let's say multiplied by 2. You understand? So this 2 is multiplying this now, and this 2 is so I already say let's multiply by 2. Is it the same thing? Now do you agree with me in mathematics that this 2 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 1? Or sorry, 2 divided by 1 is still the same thing. So what we have is, in this place now, is 2 all over 1 times 1 over 2. Right? 2 here 1, 2 here 1. So 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1. Divided by 1. So 1 divided by 1 is still the same thing as 1. So what we have here, 2 multiply this is going to leave us with 1. So the 1 multiplied by log will still be log in this. So what we have here will remain log in base 2 of y plus 3 is equals to 2 times x. So what we have here is basically 2 times x times 2. So what is it? 2 times 2, 4x. So what we have here is going to be 4x. Now take a look at this place again. What I've just done is multiply here. 2 raised to 2 over 1. Now this is what we have. Let's bring it up here. We have log in base 2 of y plus 3 is equals to 4x. Now the target again is this y. What else is close to it? Yes, 3 is close to it, but it's in a bracket, and this one is close to it. I think this one is a bit farther than compared with this. So what operation will take this one out? It is still what we did in the first question. What's the definition of logarithm? Use the definition of logarithm, or saying that change it to exponential form. This is logarithmic form. Change it to exponential form. In which case, what I mean is this: log in base a of b is equals to x. This is what? Logarithmic form. The exponential form is that the log of a number to a particular base time the number of times the base will be raised, meaning a will be raised to the power of x to give us b. So this is what